Scientists from OpenAI and top universities are predicting that by 2027, AI will actually be smarter than the smartest humans on the planet, which means we have about a 1-year window before everything changes. Business as you know it, making money as you know it, all of it is going to be completely different. And here's what most people don't understand. This is the best time in history to build generational wealth, but the opportunity won't last. So in this video, I'm going to show you two things. First, the one massive mistake that's keeping 99% of people trapped and unable to capitalize on this AI gold rush. And second, the exact 4-step roadmap that I'm personally using and that my students inside my community are using to build real wealth during this window. Let's get into it. Quick intro if you're new here, my name is Mustafa and I became a millionaire in my early 20s through online business. I've been doing this for 8 years now. I've built multiple 6-figure e-commerce stores and I've made over 7 figures total in revenue. And I run a community called 6-Figure Ecom where I teach people how to actually build real businesses. So I've seen a lot. I've been through multiple gold rushes like Shopify dropshipping in 2017, crypto in 2021, and now AI. And what I'm about to tell you is based on real experience, not theory. When the AI hype first started, I'll be honest, I felt the same thing a lot of you are probably feeling right now, which is the fear of missing out. All my friends were starting AI SaaS companies, AI automation agencies, AI apps, and everything had AI slapped on it. And they were all telling me the same thing. If you don't jump in now and completely change your business model, you're going to be left behind forever. I almost threw away everything I'd been building for years just to chase this new shiny opportunity. But then I realized something. Usually when everyone's looking left, you should probably look right. Most people think that winning during this AI gold rush means starting an AI business. But the reality is that most of those businesses are struggling. Most are failing. Because 99% of people skip the one thing that actually ensures success, whether it's an AI business or not. Here's the mistake. Everyone's asking the wrong question. They're asking, what's changing because of AI and how do I capitalize on it? But that's fundamentally the wrong approach. The real question you should be asking is, what isn't changing even with AI? Because when you focus on something timeless, like a skill that can't be replaced by AI, a business model that's proven for decades, you can't lose. Now look, I know that's not fun. You probably clicked on this video expecting me to show you some new AI tool or some hot opportunity. But here's what I believe. The more this AI hype pushes forward, the more the market is going to crave people who actually built real foundational skills. People who know how to sell. People who understand marketing. People who can build and scale real businesses, not just prompt engineers. AI is a tool, it's an accelerant, but if you don't have the foundation, the tool is worthless. So here's the 4-step roadmap to actually become a millionaire during this AI gold rush. Step 1. Pick one skill that's closest to your personality and master it. And I'm going to disagree with a lot of people here who say just pick whatever makes money. Don't do that. The people at the top of every industry, the ones making millions, they love the game, they're obsessed. Look at someone like Mr. Beast. No matter how much money he makes, he reinvests it because he loves it. So if you love talking to people, learn sales. If you like writing, master copywriting. If you're creative, learn content creation or ad design. Pick something proven, something people have been making money with for years and get really good at it. Because AI makes all of these skills 10 times more powerful now, but you need the skill first. Bottom line, start with one skill and get good enough that you can make money from it. Once you master one skill, you can stack others, and at the intersection of multiple skills is where the real money is. Step 2. Find one client. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is they try to start an agency and work with 20 clients at once. But what's the point of charging 20 people $1,000 a month, basically working for 20 bosses, when you can charge one person $10,000 or $20,000 a month and deliver insane value? Here's what this does for you. You're making money risk-free. You're getting paid to learn, you're developing your skill at the highest level, and you're getting a testimonial and results that you can use later. Put aside your ego, work for someone else for 6 to 12 months while you stack cash and build proof. This is the fastest path to real wealth. Step 3. Document your journey. The wins, the losses, the entire process, and the results you're getting for your client. And this is what's gonna make step 4 so much easier. I'll tell you my biggest regret in my 8-year career. I didn't document enough early on. If I had, clients would have come so much easier, my community would have grown so much faster, my businesses would have scaled so much quicker. Luckily, I started documenting about 3 years ago. I've made over 180 YouTube videos. I've built a portfolio on social media, and because of that, I have people DMing me every single day wanting to pay me thousands of dollars for my time. So document, post on social media, make videos, write threads, show people what you're doing. Because that documentation becomes leverage later. Step 4. Take everything you've built and turn it into a business that can make you $1 million a year or more. Here's how. You have a skill, you have proof, you have documentation. Now you productize it. You're gonna identify one type of person that you can solve a very specific, very painful problem for, a life-changing problem. And you charge them thousands of dollars to solve it. You're not working with 20 clients anymore. You're working with 5, 10, 15 clients, but at premium prices. And you're delivering transformation. This is the model that lets you make 7 figures a year without needing a huge team, without needing venture capital, and without needing to build some massive AI company. You just need one valuable skill, proof that you can deliver results, and the ability to sell that solution to the right people. And here's where AI comes in. AI basically accelerates every step of this process. It helps you master skills faster. It helps you deliver results for clients quicker. It helps you create content at scale, and it helps you automate parts of your business. But without the foundation, the skill, the client results, the documentation, AI can't help you. Now, I don't want you to think that this is just theory. Inside my community, 6-Figure Ecom, I have members who followed this exact roadmap and made their first $1,000 online. And many have made way more than that. They picked a skill, whether it's running e-commerce stores, creating content, selling products. They mastered it, they got results, they documented it, and now they're scaling. This roadmap works. It's not flashy, it's not some get-rich-quick AI hack, but it's real. And it's the only way to build sustainable wealth during this AI gold rush. Because here's the truth, most AI businesses will fail. Most people chasing shiny objects will stay broke. But the people who build real skills, get real results, and use AI to accelerate what already works, they are going to become millionaires. So if you're actually serious about this, here's what I want you to do. First, I have a free 3-day e-commerce starter kit in the description of this video that you're watching. It breaks down exactly how to start an online store, find products, and make your first sales using AI tools. Go grab that, it's completely free. Second, if you want to go deeper, if you want access to everything that I've learned over 8 years, all the tools, all the strategies, and a community of people actually doing this and making money, join 6-Figure Ecom. It's one of the businesses that I run, and I'm charging $30 a month. That's it. Inside, you get step-by-step tutorials, AI tools that will save you thousands of dollars, and direct access to me and other people who are building real businesses right now. The links are all in the description. Look, we have a 1-year window before everything changes. Don't waste it chasing the wrong opportunities. Pick a skill, master it, use AI to accelerate it, and build a real business. That's how you become a millionaire during the AI gold rush. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.